In this video, I'm going to show you how to track motion in CapCut PC step by step so you can attach text, stickers, or graphics to a moving object in your video. This is a really useful effect for making your edits look more dynamic and professional. And the best part is that it's actually very easy once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips and simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to edit. Make sure your video is already placed on the timeline because motion tracking works directly from your footage. Now, the first thing you want to do is position the graphic you want to track. You can type your own text, add a sticker, or choose any graphic element from CapCut. Once you've added it, scale it and move it roughly over the object you want it to follow. Don't worry about making it perfect yet. The important thing is just placing it close to the subject so it's ready for tracking. Next, click on the text or sticker layer so it becomes selected. This step matters because the motion tracking feature only appears for the element you want to attach to motion. After selecting it, go over to the right-hand panel in CapCut. Here, look for the Tracking tab. Once you open that tab, click Motion Tracking. As soon as you do that, you'll see a yellow tracking box appear inside your viewer window. Now it's time to configure the tracking area. The yellow box needs to fit snugly around the object, face, or item you want CapCut to follow. If the box is too big, tracking can become less accurate. If it's too small or placed in the wrong spot, CapCut may lose the target. So take a second here and carefully resize and reposition the box until it sits neatly over the moving object. For best results, choose a subject with clear movement and good contrast against the background. Once the tracking box is set, choose your tracking direction. CapCut usually gives you options like forward, backward, or both, depending on where your playhead is currently positioned on the timeline. If your playhead is already near the start of the clip, tracking forward is usually the easiest choice. If you've already started later in the video and want to track in the opposite direction, you can use backward. If needed, you can also track both directions for a fuller result. After choosing the right direction, click Start. CapCut will now analyze the footage and begin motion tracking the selected object. During this process, it studies the movement frame by frame so it can lock your text or sticker to that motion. Depending on the length of your clip and the complexity of the movement, this may take a few moments. Once it's finished, play back your video to check the result. You should see the graphic follow the object naturally as it moves across the screen. If the tracking looks off, don't worry. You can always adjust the tracking box and try again for better accuracy. Sometimes moving the box slightly or narrowing the target area can improve the result a lot. Also, if the object moves too fast, gets blocked in or leaves the frame, tracking may be less accurate, so choosing the cleanest section of footage helps a lot. And that's how to track motion in CapCut PC. It's a simple feature, but it can make your edits look much more polished. Whether you're labeling something on screen, adding a fun sticker, or creating an attention-grabbing effect. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.